Hey photographer, Jessica Whitaker here. In this video, I'm bringing you behind the scenes on a portrait session with my friend Laura. We're in Seattle at Volunteer Park outside of their greenhouse. You want to view the full gallery of images as well as all of the gear used. I will have that linked down in the description box below. But before we get into it, I want to thank my sponsor, Squarespace, for making this free photography video possible. As a photographer, you also play the role of stylist, location scout, customer service rep, accountant, and snack provider. And you need a website that's just like you, can do it all. Enter Squarespace, the all-in-one website platform for photographers. It's more than just a website platform. You can schedule and accept your photoshoot bookings, sell digital products like PDF guides, or physical products like art prints, host your domain and custom email, create email lists, and present your work through public or password-protected galleries. If you're a photographer operating during late morning hours, rest assured that Squarespace has you covered. You can quickly troubleshoot any challenges with their round-the-clock live chat and comprehensive help library and 24/7 customer service. A photo speaks 1,000 words, but a seamless client experience on your website is how you can book those $1,000 clients. Build and launch your new website in just a weekend, but if you need more time, you can give Squarespace a 14-day free trial. And when you're ready to launch your beautiful new site, head to squarespace.com/Jessica Whitaker for 10% off your first purchase of a new website or a domain. We're starting out by doing some close-up portraits of Laura in front of this big rhododendron bush, and to bring in some extra light and a bit of glow, we have the reflector with the silver side that Annie is using to bounce onto Laura's face, and it's just filling in a little bit of shadows around the nose and under the eye and overall add a more radiant glow. So I'll even show you guys what it looks like with and without the reflector. So let's start with, let me make sure the light is good. Hold on. So what I'm gonna have you do is you're gonna drop your shoulder a little bit and lean into it for me. Yep, beautiful. And then arch your back ever so slightly. Yes, okay, gorgeous. And then with your face, turn your face towards me ever so slightly. Beautiful, and then lift your face up a little bit. Okay, perfect. That's so beautiful. Now kind of play with your hair with your front hand. Yep, beautiful. That looks, okay, I'm gonna scoot back even further. So I am using an 85 for a wider shot, but I have that flexibility because we're outside. So I can scoot back as far as I would like to. And I do want the rhododendrons to be a bit more compressed. Oh, beautiful. This might even be a cool lens comparison to show how the background interacts. Beautiful, Laura. Now if you turn around, beautiful, and look over your shoulder. Yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous, cute, cute, cute. Cute, Laura, very cute. Okay, now let's do something with your skirt. So this is perfect. So when you are walking with a skirt, something that I love to do is take your fingers and you're just gonna kind of brush the bottom. So instead of picking it up where it's like, it doesn't look natural if we just go like this, or even if we have a weird bend in it like this with a shorter skirt at least, moving your hips side to side and then just brushing the bottom of the hem kind of adds a bit of fluff and it looks natural with the shorter skirts depending on how they're cut. So I'll have you do that when you're walking, but let me show you how cute you already look. You look so beautiful. And actually what I'll have you do is I'm gonna have you cross your legs when you walk so that then when you even are walking back, instead of it being straight, you're gonna have a bit of that kind of bend to it as well. Beautiful, and then look back at me. Yeah, cute, Laura, add a bend to your elbow. Yes, gorgeous, gorgeous. Beautiful, okay, and then walk towards me and you're gonna fluff your dress. Perfect. Beautiful, look to the side. Yes, Laura. Okay, run away and stop right there and laugh. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Hold your hat and kind of laugh again. Yeah, cute, cute, cute. Can you throw your hand in the air kind of like this? Yeah, yeah, beautiful. And then fluff the skirt, really fluff it. Yeah, yeah, beautiful. Keep your head nice and tall to the sky so that light hits it. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at me and laugh now. Yes, gorgeous, gorgeous. That's so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Come a bit closer. These are so freaking cute. Beautiful. Now bend forward and laugh. Yes, beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, take a look because these are really, really cute of you. Excuse the foundation. Oh, stop.
Cute.
Okay, see how when you kind of move,
Yeah.
and then you're already moving, and so when you flick the skirt, yes. So freaking cute. The arm in the air, so cute. That's one of my favorite poses to do, is to put the arm in the air, but it's like you bend it so that it's not just like sticking up straight up. Let's have you come right here, I think. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna have you come here because there's light right, yeah, stand this way.
Still with the hat.
Yeah, let's still do the hat. We gotta tag the hat, you know?
Yeah.
And then I'm thinking, so we have light coming down directly on your head, so we're gonna wanna use the reflector to bounce it back onto the face so that it's not just coming from here, and then the hat is also kind of making shadows too. So we're gonna bring in the reflector, and then I'm also gonna grab my 35 and my 50 so we can just do a really fun, quick little comparison about how the 3' lenses interact with the backdrop, like with this kind of big rhododendron detail. So then I would love to hear from you guys what you prefer in the comments. I'll also throw it up on Instagram too. But we're gonna put the camera on a tripod and use the reflector now. So we're gonna shoot at 1.2. My ISO is on 100 and my shutter speed is 1600. Beautiful, Laura. Oh, she tips her hat to you. Have you ever heard of a milady, Laura?
Milady.
Yes. Beautiful. Okay, cute. Beautiful, beautiful. Cute. Throw your hands back in the air again because now it's more even in the lighting. Yep, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, Laura. What if we do one? Have your hands behind your back, away from the camera, and then you look over and kind of like, yeah, with your leg, we're gonna give us a little twist. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna drop the shoulder. Yep, that's gonna open everything up. Yes. Stunning. Model behavior. And then one thing with the arm, instead of having it hanging down by the side, you're just gonna kind of bend your elbow a little bit and like bring your hand back so you reveal the waist. So instead of this, it's kind of like this, yeah. Yeah, cute, cute, cute. Maybe bring, you know what, bring your hand, with your hand, put it on your hip. Flip it around now. And then let's see, swing your elbow. Actually, you know what, have your hand just kind of by your, yeah, and we'll fluff it and then just make sure you have your elbow back. Why am I out of breath? ER trip. So I did get my ER bill. Oh, I went to the emergency room the other week because I had an allergic reaction to my foundation. Beautiful, Laura. Now twist now more towards me. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so what if we do one where you have your hand up like this and then your wrist is gonna be turned out so it's kind of framing your head a little bit and then like lean up against it or lean just with your elbow. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, that's super cute. Oh, that looks really gorgeous. Gorgeous. Cute. The sin of seduction. Never, but he inspired me to like, I was like, if he's this literally insane, like, that's so free. Not the shoulder, the men are gonna stumble. Make them stumble. Beautiful. Oh, oh. Beautiful. Oh, this is cute. So I'm gonna have you step out further just so then all of the text and stuff gets a bit more blurred. And then I'm shooting with a 50, so I'm gonna get a little bit further back. Oh, this is really cute. So what I'll have you do is, yeah, you're gonna kind of swing the bag, swing it around like the rodeo. And let's see. Oh, this is really beautiful. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh, cute. Give us a little swing with the dress again too. Yep, beautiful, beautiful. Look to the side. Beautiful. How about like pretend to be getting something out of your bag? Yeah, that's super cute, Laura. Now like maybe just hold it down at your side and then add a little bend to your elbow. Yeah, beautiful. Lift your face up. Oh my gosh, cute. Cute. Oh my gosh, cute with the wind. Oh my goodness. Yeah, gorgeous, big smile. Bring now your bag up quite a bit. It's gonna still be kind of close, but it'll just add a bit of like texture to the shot. Maybe even almost have it tucked under, like you're like getting your keys, it's kind of tucked under. Yeah, yeah. And now pretend to like reach in there. And then look up and over and laugh. Cute. Yeah, that's super cute. Beautiful, Laura. Gorgeous. Bend that elbow for me. Gorgeous. Now have the hat kind of at your chest and lean forward and laugh. Yeah, yeah, beautiful. Now turn towards me a little bit more. And then point your toes towards me as well, so everything's gonna come toward, yep, beautiful, beautiful, Laura. Throw that other hand up in the air. Oh yeah, perfect. And then lean forward even more, drop it a tiny bit more. Yeah, beautiful, and throw that hand in the air, beautiful. Super cute, Laura. And now I'm gonna come a little bit closer and put both hands on the hat. Yep. Drop it a little bit more just so we see a little bit more of your earring or your necklaces. Yep. Gorgeous. And then lean forward and laugh again. And you know what, actually, oh, actually turn this way a little bit and then lean forward and laugh and look towards me. Yep, beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And then with your back hand, I'm gonna have you fluff up your hair. Yeah, that's perfect, perfect, perfect. Really lean into it. Yes, gorgeous. These are so freaking cute. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Let's do one really up close. I'm gonna have you, it's gonna be super close. So I'm gonna switch my lens to the 85 and I'm gonna get just your face. This will be in it a little bit and it's gonna be like raw shoulder, just bare shoulder. and then just a little bit. And I'm gonna grab my 85 and my reflector as well. Beautiful. Lift your face ever so slightly. Gorgeous, Laura. Oh my word. Lean forward towards me. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, big smile. Gorgeous. That is so beautiful, Laura. Can you grab the hat with the top of your, at the very top of the head part?
The rim?
Yeah, that part, yeah. Just so we get the pop of your nails in it. Beautiful. Now lean forward even more. Yep, and big laugh. Yeah, that is so freaking cute. If you stand here and you have the hat and you kind of just do a little like twirl and I'll shoot horizontal and then we'll just have all this kind of surrounding you. I think it'll be really pretty. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. 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 Yeah, cute, 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 cute. And then what about if you like run towards the camera a little bit, just a 1-2 run. Yeah, cute, 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 cute. Oh my gosh, Laura, these are so cute. Oh my gosh, so freaking cute. model behavior. If you're a photographer who's looking to join a kind, encouraging, and inclusive photography community, check out my free group on Facebook called Build and Bloom. This is the best place to ask questions about your specific photography business. So whether you need an extra set of eyes on your website you're about to launch, or you want help drafting a response to a difficult client situation, Build and Bloom is free to join. Just search it on Facebook groups. I've also launched season 2 of the Build and Bloom Photography podcast, available for you to listen and learn on your favorite platform. Be sure to hit subscribe so you're the first to know when new free videos for your photography business come out, and I will see you in my next video. Click right here to watch and to learn. I'll see you there.